Hello, this is Kaylee Voss with NetPats, and I'm here with Rick McCow of SummerNet.com. And we're at the foot of Mount Zion, and today we're going to talk about analytics on the Wednesday tip of the day. So first I want to introduce Rick McCow.
Hi, my name is Rick. I'm the proprietor of SummerNet.com. My specialty is in analytics and a little bit of internet marketing. So one of the first things that I like to do with I set up a website is to install analytics. I'll install Google AdWords, set up a Google AdWords account, and also set up the Google Webmaster Tool. Those are my three things I first start looking at when I define the website.
So those are the first things you need to do if you're starting analytics on a site. And then what's the next phase after you set those tools up?
It actually goes off of analytics. You'd want to actually set up business goals. And then once you have the business goals, you can monitor those to your results in the analytics pages. Depending on the goal, might be get more subscribers. Well, now all of a sudden, now you got to focus on doing what is it going to take to make it easier for somebody to subscribe to your page.
And you've got AdWords data, so you can easily get new keywords and see what works and what doesn't, and how much it's going to cost you.
Yeah, I mean, you have the regular keyword tool that's available, but I still like to set up an AdWords account just because it gives you a little bit more information. You can also connect it to Google Analytics too, so
you can track conversions of the paid ads on your site and directly through analytics to see exactly what your conversion rate is going to be for these keywords. Okay, well, fantastic. This has been the Wednesday tip of the day. And again, Kaylee Voss with Rick McCow.
Yep.